So here there is an automatic attendance collection system. So I'm taking the attendance with the help of this Google Meet attendance collector. Almost 12 students are attending this class. So this is an automatic attendance system. Now you can see there are 13 members including me. Whenever I take online class, I collect this attendance. So you can see the names are displaying on your screen also. So 12 students are attending now. So in the previous class, I had discussed about the Boolean algebra. You know that Boolean algebra deals with only two types of quantities. You can say true or false, or 1 or 0, or high and low. Any name you can give to those two quantities. And there are some operators called Boolean operators. And then Boolean operators operate on only on those two values. So we are assuming either true or false, or 1 and 0 for that Boolean variables. In computer, there are electronic signals. We pass electronic signals. You know that electronic signals have two states. There are two forms of electronic signals, high signal and low signal. So we represent high signal by 1 and low signal by 0. So when you pass electronic signal inside a computer, there is an electronic circuit. And those electronic circuits are called logic gates. So I will discuss today about the logic gates. What are logic gates? So I hope you are ready with your pen and notebook. You can note down what I want to say. You can note down the today's topic with date, logic gates. So logic gates are nothing but logic circuits. Logic gates are circuits in which there is one input, there is an input, and only there is, you can write there is one or more than one input and only one output. So input may be more than one, but output is only one. So you can note down in your notebook, logic gates are circuits in which there is one or more than one input and only one output. First, I want to discuss about NOT gate. So each and every gate has a symbol. You can draw a diagram of the gates. So how to draw NOT gate with the help of Microsoft Word? I will show you how to create, or with the help of Paintbrush also I can show you how to create a NOT gate. It is not possible in Paintbrush. I will use Microsoft Word. Because Word has a feature of inserting symbol or a diagram or a shapes. So we'll rotate this shape like this. So this is the symbol of NOT gate. You can put one circle also. Like this. and then you can draw a line. Or you can draw this type of symbol in your notebook. This is a NOT gate. So this NOT gate has only one input. If the input is suppose, suppose input is A, then the output will be a complement. Suppose input is 1, what will be the output of NOT gate? Can you type inside the chat box? Adarsh is writing 1, Riya is writing 0. NOT means the complement of the input. For example, if I input 1, then the output will be 0. If I input 0, the output will be 1. It means if the input is high signal, the output is a low signal. Low signal means no voltage, suppose. High signal means voltage. Low signal means no voltage. If I input 0, the output will be 1. So this type of logic circuits we use in the side of computers. You know that each and every device has a motherboard. In calculator also there is a board, electronic circuits, and those circuits you can see some designs are created. If I search on the internet, not gate on circuit, calculator suppose. So you can see this type of circuits are there on each and every electronic board. These are the electronic board, and you are not able to see because it is a very tiny, very small circuit on the motherboard. You can assume that there are gates on the motherboard. So Riya, Mayank, Vikas and Gaurav are typing 0. You are correct if the input is 1. So write down in NOT gate, there is only, in NOT gate, there is only one input and one output. If the input is high, the output will be low, and if the input is low, the output will be high. So draw this diagram. The output will be X complement. Complement can be denoted by bar or this apostrophe, single apostrophe. So this type of diagram you can draw whenever you want to indicate a NOT gate. This triangle symbol and then one circle, and the line denotes the input and the output. This is input and this line is output. Have you noted down about NOT gate?
No, sir.
Okay, please note down, in NOT gate there is only one input and a single output. If the input is high, the output will be low, and if the input is low, the output will be high. And you know that these electronic signals represented by 1 or 0. 1 means high and 0 means low signal. High signal means there is some voltage in the electric line, and low means voltage is less voltage or no voltage. So in this way we can pass signals inside the computer. Another gate is AND gate. But before writing about the AND gate, please draw the truth table of this NOT gate also. Truth table. So you know that truth table has all the possible combinations and the input and output value. So if the input denoted by X, then output denoted by X complement.
सर
Yes.
सर आपने कल बनवा दिए थे ये
Yes, in terms of gate also you have to draw this truth table. If the input is 0, output will be 1. If input is 1, output will be 0, like this. So along with gate also you have to draw the truth table, because I am going to explain more gates, not only NOT, AND and OR. I will also explain about NAND gate, NOR gate, exclusive OR gate. So each and every gate has a truth table. So draw again this truth table for NOT gate. Actually, you know the symbol is like this, triangle shape and one circle, and this is the output and this is input. So input is 1, then output will be 0. If input is 0, output will be 1. So draw this truth table in your notebook. Have you done? Tell me if you have completed. Okay, I hope all of you have written. Now write down about AND gate. The second gate is AND gate. So all these gates are designed on the basis of theory given by the British mathematician. The name of that British mathematician is, you know, what is the name of that British mathematician? Can you type inside the chat box? What is the name of that British mathematician who gives the theory of Boolean algebra? Mayank is writing George Boole. Absolutely correct. So on the basis of that great scientist, not great scientist, but great mathematician actually, we design a computer, we design gates on the basis of that Boolean algebra theory. So those gates are also as names, so AND gate, so write down. And this gate has 2 or more inputs and only one output. The output is high if all the inputs are high. Otherwise, the output will be low. So how to create an AND gate? What is the symbol of AND gate? First you note down these lines. This gate has two or more inputs and only one output. The output is high if all the inputs are high, otherwise the output will be low. In other words, you can see all the inputs are 1, the output is 1, otherwise the output will be 0. So computer works basically on the inputs, which is in the form of electronic signals. And those electronic signals are in two forms, you know, that high signal and low signal. So on the basis of these two signals, computer performs all operations. So there is a arithmetic and logic unit in a computer. You know that with the help of arithmetic unit, computer performs addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So the gates are required in that addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. How we can add two binary numbers? How can we subtract two binary numbers? I will discuss in the number system topic. So with the help of these gates only, the computer gives the output. The calculator also calculates. Mathematical calculation can be done with the help of those gates. So I hope you have written this gate has only two or more inputs and only one output. So what is the symbol? I am drawing the symbol in Microsoft Word because this Microsoft Word has a feature of designing symbols. So I will select one symbol, this. So in your notebook also you can draw this type of symbol. So this is the symbol of AND gate, and if I use the output, suppose there are two outputs. So this is the symbol of AND gate. So this AND gate has two or more inputs and only one output. So if the inputs are suppose A and B, A and B, the output will be A dot B. You know that dot is a Boolean operator. So draw this diagram in your notebook. This is the symbol of AND gate. So if all the inputs are equal to 1, then only the if all the inputs are equal to 1, then only the output will be 1 in this AND gate. Have you done? Okay. If I ask you a question, write down a question, what will be the output of the following circuit? Write down this question in your notebook. What will be the output of the following circuit? And then I will draw one diagram. So this is the diagram. Draw this diagram in your notebook. Suppose the inputs are 1 and 1. Then what will be the output? Shreya, please turn on your mic and tell me the output. Shreya.
Sir, I don't.
Shreya,
Sir, I don't know.
the inputs are 1 and 1. If all the inputs of AND signal are high, then the output of this AND signal is high. So the output of this AND is 1. And you know that this is a NOT gate. Now can you tell me what is the output, Shreya? Shreya,
No, sir.
look Shreya, suppose this is a NOT gate. So any signal is 1. So the output of this NOT gate is 0. And if the signal is 0, so the output is 1. So if I create this AND gate and these two inputs are equal to 1, 1 and 1, what is the output of this AND gate? Shreya,
Sir, 1.
1. Because you know that AND gate has an output high if all the inputs are 1. So all the inputs are 1. So if the output of this AND gate is 1. Now this 1 is going in this NOT gate. So what is the output then here? Shreya?
0. Sir, 0.
0. So you know that if 1 is the input of this NOT gate, so the output will be 0. Because NOT gate actually it is called an inverter gate. It inverts the input, and you know that in logic circuits and logic gate the input are only in the form of 1 and 0, and output is also in the form of 1 and 0. So you must use your common sense that the output will be either 1 or 0. The only thing you have to check the inputs. What are the inputs? So the input is also in the form of 1 and 0 only. So if the input is 1, the output of this NOT gate is 0. If input is 0, the output of this NOT gate is 1. So this gate is also called an inverter gate. And in this AND gate, if all are equal to 1, all the inputs are 1, then only the output is 1. Okay, let's draw truth table of AND gate. So in your notebook, draw the truth table of AND gate. I am creating truth table. So make a straight line because I am using pen brush. So I am not able to draw straight lines. So this type of truth table you can draw. Truth table contains the input values and the output. So suppose the inputs are in the form of A and B. So the output will be A dot B. So if both inputs are equal to 0, the output will be 0. If one is 0, another is 1, then the output will be 0. If first is 1, another is 0, then also output will be 0. If A is 1, B is 1, you know that all the inputs are 1, the output will be 1. So this is the truth table. Draw this truth table in your notebook. After that, I will discuss about the OR gate. This is AND gate. This is the truth table of AND gate. So you must remember, truth table contains all the possible combinations of inputs. So only 4 combinations are possible if you are taking the inputs as 0 and 1. So this is a truth table. Draw this table in your notebook. Have you done? Shruti?
Yes, sir.
Have you drawn this truth table in your notebook?
Yes, sir. Done.
Show me your notebook. Place your notebook
Yes,
in front of the webcam. Okay, I can see your notebook. Okay, you can put border also around this table. Otherwise, it is okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I want to discuss about OR gate. So the answer, you can draw this question, this type of question I am asking. So if the inputs are 1, 1, 1, then the output is, since the output of this AND gate is 1, and then not get, so output is 0. So answer is 0. This is the output actually. Output is denoted by Q. Inputs are denoted by X and Y. Suppose X is equal to 1, Y equal to 1, then Q equal to X dot Y. So the output will be 0, and that question you can write down answer 0. Now the third gate is OR gate. This gate has 2 or more inputs and only one output. If any of the input is high, the output will be high. Otherwise, the output will be low. Because if any of the input is 1, equal to 1, the output will be 1. Now, how to draw the OR gate with the help of Microsoft Word? I will design here, insert shapes. Let's see. With the help of Paintbrush, I will tell you. How to draw OR gate? This type of symbol you can draw in your notebook. Or you can draw like this also. Whatever you prefer. You can draw like this also. So which is suitable to you, you can draw like that. Whatever design you like, you can draw. You can draw like this, you can draw like that. This is the symbol of OR gate. So if the input, suppose the input are in the form of A and B, the output is A plus B. You know that plus is a symbol of OR, A plus B. So if any input is 1, suppose 1 and 0 are the inputs, then the output will be 1. If all the inputs are 0, then the output will be 0. So this type of diagram you can draw in your notebook. Are you done? Others is writing 0, I is writing 0. Okay. Now I will ask you some questions to check whether you understand the concept of input and output or not. After that, I will discuss some more gates. There are some more gates, NOR gate, NAND gate, exclusive OR gate. So before discussing those gates, I will check whether you understand the concept or not. So let's first to write the truth table of this OR gate. I forgot to write down the truth table. So draw the truth table in your notebook. You know that truth table contains all the inputs and the output. Truth table of OR gate. So yesterday also you have drawn this truth table. So I am taking two inputs. There may be more than two inputs, but here I am taking two inputs, A and B, and the output is A plus B. So if both the inputs are 0, the output will be 0. If A is 1, B is 0, then the output will be 1. If A is 0 and B is 1, the output will be 1. If A is 1, B is 1, the output will be 1. So if any input is high, the output will be high, otherwise the output will be 0. This is the truth table of OR gate. So note down this truth table, draw this truth table in your notebook. Vikas, please turn on your mic, Vikas.
Yes, sir.
Show me your notebook. Please turn on your camera and show me your notebook. Okay, very good. Okay, Vikas.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Vikas, I have seen. So before I proceed, before I go ahead, I want to check whether you understand the concept or not. So please write down one question in your notebook. Write the Boolean expression for the following logic circuit. So I will draw one logic circuit and then you have to write the Boolean expression, the equivalent Boolean expression for that logic circuit. And if you perfectly draw the logic circuit, if you perfectly find the Boolean expression of that logic circuit, then I can understand that you have understand the concept very clearly. You have no doubt in your mind. So I will draw one logic circuit and then you have to write the Boolean expression for that circuit. So let's draw this. In pen bush, I will draw the logic circuit. This is AND gate, suppose. One more AND gate. And this AND gate has input A and B. Now this B also input in this AND gate. There is a NOT gate also, and one more input C, and then the input of these two gates inside the OR gate. So you have to write the Boolean expression for this gate. So can you write by looking at this picture? What is the Boolean expression? If anybody can write the Boolean expression of this gate, he can turn on his mic or her mic. Anybody? Divyani?
No, sir.
Who can try? Mayank?
Sir, 1 minute.
Sir, A plus B plus.
No, look, this AND gate has a symbol dot. So the output of this gate is A dot B, na? A dot B like this.
Sir, A dot B plus A dot B bar dot C.
Yes, very good, very good. This is B complement dot C, and then this is OR gate. Very good.
Yes,
So
sir.
the expression is
A dot B plus.
A dot
Sir, आ
B.
गया.
Sir, A dot B plus C.
A dot B.
Sir, may I?
Yes, Mayank.
Sir, A dot B plus B dash dot C.
Yes, very good. So this is the Boolean expression for this logic circuit. You know the output of AND gate is A dot B. And in this, you know that this is a NOT gate. And I am passing B here. So the output of this NOT gate is B complement. So B complement dot C, the output of this gate is B complement dot C. And now this is a OR gate actually. So you know that you have to use plus sign for OR gate. So this plus sign. So A dot B is the input here. B dot C is the input here. And then between these two values, you can put a plus sign. The plus is the symbol for OR gate. So this is the correct Boolean expression for this logic circuit. F is equal to A dot B plus B complement dot C. Divyani, have you understand? Divyani?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if I ask you another question, can you tell me the answer?
Sir, I can try.
Okay. So please draw this diagram in your notebook, and the equivalent Boolean expression of this logic circuit diagram, A dot B plus B complement dot C. And tell me if you have completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now one last question I am asking. I will ask to Divyani, and then I will check whether Divyani understand the concept or not. If Divyani understand the concept, if she gives a correct answer, then I will end this class. So write down another question. The question is same, write the Boolean expression for the following logic circuit. I will draw one logic circuit and then I will ask the equivalent Boolean expression. So, Divyani, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, very simple logic circuit I will design here. So, I will tell you what type of gate I am designing. This is a OR gate. Inside this OR gate, there is an input, and this is a NOT gate actually. And one more input. And then one more OR gate I will design here. And suppose this is U and this is V actually. So U I am passing here one NOT gate, and then V one more NOT gate, and the output of this OR gate inside the AND gate. So Divyani, can you tell me the equivalent Boolean expression for this logic circuit?
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Okay. So you know this NOT gate, if you input any value inside a NOT gate, it will use the inverted value, the complement value of that input. Yes,
Sir,
Divyani,
you
have you? Yes.
Yes, sir.
U complement, very good.
Plus V
Plus V.
dot.
Okay, so I have to put all the whole expression in the bracket because otherwise it will look like that V dot. So I am putting all this expression in the bracket and then dot
U dash
U dash
plus V dash.
plus V dash. Very good, Divyani. It is absolutely correct. So this is a equivalent Boolean expression. So now I can assume that each and every student has understood the concept. So this type of question, either the expression is written and you have to draw the logic circuit, or the logic circuit is given and you have to write down the expression, the equivalent Boolean expression. This type of question can be asked. I will discuss some more gates, that NOR gate, NAND gate, and exclusive OR gate, because those gates are also in your syllabus. And there is one law also, De Morgan's law. I want to discuss that law also in my next class. So I will end this class. I hope you understand some concepts of logic circuits, logic gates. I am stop presenting. Now you can leave the class. If you want to ask any question, you can ask any question related to subject, related to online class, any question that is come in your mind, you can ask. Sumit,
Yes, sir.
do you want to ask any question?
Yes, sir.
As far as the textbook is concerned, either you can purchase the textbook Sumita Arora from the market, or you can download the NCERT textbook. That NCERT textbook also contains very nice material related to your subject, computer science, or you can make your own notes. The best practice and study is that you should make your own notes in your own words, in your own sentences. That is the best way of study about any subject. So if you make your own notes, if you create your own sentences, that is very beneficial for you. So try to make your own notes in your notebook. Don't depend on any sentence created by any other. You can take the help of sentences created by any other writer. There are so many writers in the world. They are writing in different way with the help of their own thinking. So if you want to make your own notes, then you can create your own sentences. So please make your own notes about the logic gates or any other topic which I taught you, and keep repeating those notes. Make practice of those notes so that you can easily write the answers of any question which is asked in your examination. So I request you that you can leave the class by clicking on the leave call button. There is a leave call button between the microphone and the webcam. Thank you very much.